How can I transfer my Apple ID balance to another account?
Hello everyone, in today's tutorial, we will be discussing how you can transfer your Apple ID balance to another account. It's important to note that Apple doesn't officially allow direct transfer of balance between accounts. However, there are some indirect ways you can effectively achieve this.
What is an Apple ID balance?
Before we dive into the process, it's important to understand what an Apple ID balance is. When you add funds to your Apple ID, your credit balance is updated with the amount that you added. These funds can be used to purchase apps, games, and digital content on Apple's platforms.
Can you directly transfer your Apple ID balance to another account?
The straightforward answer is no. Apple doesn't officially support direct transfers of credit balance between Apple IDs. However, don't fret. There are some indirect ways you can use to give your credit to another account.
How to indirectly transfer your Apple ID balance?
The most common way to transfer your Apple ID balance is by gifting content that can be bought from the Apple Store, or by purchasing a gift card. Let's explain both methods. Method 1. Gifting content 1. Open the App Store on your device. 2. Search for the content, app, game, song, etc. that you want to gift. 3. Tap on the Share button, usually represented by a square with an arrow pointing up. 4. Choose Gift app from the sharing options. 5. Enter the recipient's email address, the one associated with their Apple ID, and complete the transaction. Method 2. Purchasing a gift card 1. Open the App Store and scroll down to the bottom. 2. Tap on Send Gift. 3. You can then enter the recipient's email address, the amount you want to gift, and a personal message if you wish. 4. Tap on Next to review your purchase before finalizing the transaction. Remember, both these methods will deduct the amount from your Apple ID balance. And there you have it. While you can't directly transfer your Apple ID balance to another account, you can effectively do so by gifting content or purchasing a gift card. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials on making the most of your Apple devices.